Today I'm going to be unboxing and also reviewing this 2-in-1 Freckle Pen. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I got this Freckle Pen. It is a 2-in-1. So one of the sides is nice and precise, and the other side is like this. It has multiple dots, so you can go ahead and create those freckles, those natural looking freckles. This is available in 3 different colors. I actually got mine in the darkest one, which is a dark brown. I like the color of the pen. This is the more precise one. You could actually use this to add individual freckles, or you could actually use it on your eyebrows or even as eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and mark a line here just to show you how precise this pen is. Look at that. This pen is also sweat resistant, waterproof, and long lasting. So as you can see, it is not going anywhere. Let's test out the other side. And it creates the little dot pattern. All right, so let's test it out. Let's try it out. So first I'm gonna try the thinner one. I'm gonna go ahead and use that on my eyebrows. Just create little eyebrow strokes. Very nice, very lightweight. This could be used also to add individual hair strokes to your eyebrow. Let's try the freckle one. I've been wanting to try this one out. Ooh. Very nice, natural looking freckles. And I really like it because you could make multiple freckles at once and just scatter them. So cute. I've never tried actual natural looking freckles. I tried sticker freckles before, but never nothing like this. I'm gonna just go ahead and pat it in. And then if you like, you could go ahead and use the other one. How easy was that? I was able to do that within seconds. And you could always add or take away the freckles. Super easy to do. And like I mentioned, this is available in 3 different colors. It is so easy to do. I like that it's sweat proof, waterproof, and long lasting. So it is not going anywhere. You could use this for an event. You could use it at a festival. You could use it on a daily basis. Use it on your eyebrows, use it on your beauty marks, or add some freckles to your face. So overall, if you're looking for a freckle pen or a double-ended pen, then definitely check this out. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.